So, you want to know how to make money with affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. Some people are hitting $1,000 a day with ClickBank. And while that's not typical for beginners, I'm going to show you the exact email system that makes it possible. In 3 minutes, I'll break down 4 steps to get you from zero to your first commission. First, how to make money starts with picking the right niche and offer. Go evergreen, health, finance, or online business, because people always need solutions here. Start with ClickBank for digital products, Amazon Associates for physical or software affiliates like ConvertKit for recurring commissions. Hit ClickBank's marketplace, sort by gravity above 20, and pick one offer that solves a real problem. Now, earning with affiliate marketing really begins when you build an email list. Create a simple lead magnet, a free PDF, checklist, or mini-course that solves one specific problem. Use Systeme.io free or ConvertKit to build a landing page. Headline, 3 benefits, 1 opt-in form. Add a privacy policy link for compliance. Your only goal is capturing that email, because that's where the money happens. Once they opt in, send the lead magnet automatically, then nurture with value before pitching. This separates $10 earners from people scaling to hundreds daily. Step 3. Drive traffic. You can use social media platforms such as Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Bing, YouTube, or Pinterest. Example: Pinterest is a free search engine sending targeted traffic on autopilot. Use Canva to design vertical pins, 1,100 pixels, with bold text like "Lose 10 pounds in 30 days free plan." Link pins to your landing page and add UTM tags to track conversions. Post 5 to 10 pins daily across niche boards. You can hit 10,000 monthly views in 60 days by staying consistent. When someone buys a product from your ad, you earn a commission. Sending email advertisement to your email list is a strategy. Create email sequences that automatically sends emails with an autoresponders. Email 1, welcome. Email 2, problem solution. Email 3, case study. Email 4, offer. Email 5, urgency, FAQ. Keep emails 150-250 words. Use U language, focus on transformation. Load into your email tool, set delays, done. It runs while you sleep. 4 steps to start earning with affiliate marketing through email. Pick your niche and ClickBank offer, build a lead magnet and landing page, drive Pinterest traffic, and set up a 5-email sequence. Want deeper email copywriting tips or my exact pin templates? Learn more by clicking on the link in the description. Comment below and subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.